In this practice, you will create a color plot style table and apply it to a layout. If the effects of the plot styles do not display, use Plot Preview to view the effects. The layout view might not always display the effects correctly, especially if you have different plot style tables applied to the different layouts. Open Block-1. It contains two identical layouts, A-sized and A-size 2. Select Application menu, Print, Page Setup to open the Page Setup Manager. In the Page Setup area, select A-sized and click Modify. Set the plot style table pen settings to grayscale, one of the tables supplied with the software. Select the Display Plot Styles option and click OK. Click Close in the Page Setup Manager. The layout displays in grayscale. In the status bar, toggle on Show Hide Line Weight. Zoom in to examine the objects. They have the same line weights. Switch to the second layout, A-size 2. A plot style table has not yet been assigned to this layout. Open the Page Setup Manager by right-clicking on the A-size 2 layout and selecting Page Setup Manager. In the Page Setups area, select A-size 2 and click Modify. In the Page Setup dialog box, in the Plot Style table, Pen Assignments, drop-down list, select New. On the Add Color Dependent Plot Style Table Begin page, select Start from Scratch and click Next to continue. On the File Name page, name the new table Mechanical and click Next. Click Plot Style Table Editor to edit the new table. Select the color in the Plot Styles area and then change the settings in the Properties area. Click Save and Close to close the Plot Style Table Editor. Clear the Use This Plot Style Table for New and Pre-AutoCAD Version Language Drawing options, if required. Click Finish to complete the process. Modify the page setup for the A-size 2 layout. Select Mechanical as a Plot Style Table Pen Assignment and select Display Plot Styles. Click OK and close. Verify that Show Hide Line Weight is toggled on. Zoom in to examine the objects, which should all be black with different line weights for the center line, dimension lines, and object lines. Save and close the drawing.